Hey my nappy subbies and my new friends stopping by. Today we're going to be making some linseed hair gel, and it's totally organic, just what the doctor prescribed. Let's dive into it. You'll need a spatula, sifter, bowl, peppermint oil, almond oil, linseed seeds, a pot, and of course some water. So we're going to start here by putting 250 milliliters of linseed seeds into this bowl. So that's going to be 30 milliliters, and we're just going to pour it right here in the bowl. Fire should be on a low flame. Get your pot and a cup of water, or depending on how much hair gel you wish to make, depends on how much water you put into your pot. Once your water has just started to become to a boil, pour in your 30 milliliters of linseed seeds and stir occasionally. This ensures the linseed seeds do not burn or stick to the bottom of your pot. Oh boy, this is where the fun begins, when it starts to boil. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing. The longer you leave it to a boil, the thicker it gets. So I don't really like mine too thick, because then I cannot strain it, and therefore I'm just wasted my linseeds. So this is thick enough for me. Then we're going to take our bowl and our sifter, rest the sifter on top of the bowl, and we're going to pour our hair gel right into that bowl. Take the spatula and just push down, ensuring that we get all that lovely organic linseed hair gel out. So linseeds, also known as flax seeds, help to stimulate the hair follicles in the scalp whilst improving blood circulation. This deals with problems like dandruff, hair breakage, and hair thinning. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. This also helps us to avoid dry, scaly scalp and helps us to nourish our curly hair. Then we're going to take our peppermint oil, pour a few drops in, some almond oil, any oil of your choice. Mix it around with your finger or a spoon. And this is the consistency I like. This is just perfect. I can't wait to use this in my hair. When it comes to storing this hair gel, you want to ensure it is in a container with a lid and kept in the fridge. You can use this up until a maximum of 1 week. So guys, that's a wrap for the linseed hair gel. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it could be of use to you. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys soon.